I would like to call on the next school, Community Secondary School, Community Comprehensive Secondary School, Ephraim. So, they have a offset. You want to put it somewhere? I get okay, if we have the picture, let's have it on the screen, please. Or you can either hold it or please.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ephraim. I am a student of Community Comprehensive Secondary School, Ephraim, also to the local government area and state. I am my colleague here.
Yes, I'm rated.
Developed a project for motion sensor detecting and alarm system. This device here is used in detecting step and movement, and this device here runs on 12-volt DC current. Internally, this device has 4 different boards inside, as you can see. The first board that we have here is the power plug, which can be also called the adapter. And the component that make up the adapter, which is power plug, the first component is the resistor, the second component is the capacitor, and the third component is the transformer. The function of this component, the resistor is what limits the current and the voltage. The capacitor is what stores the charges, and the transformer is what step up and step down and smooth the charging. But in this device, the transformer is stepping it down. And the second part that we have inside this device is the automatic changeover board. The work of this automatic changeover board is what switch automatically from AC, which is the alternating current, to the DC, which is the direct current, automatically. And the third board that we have here is the logic board. The logic board is what controls the entire, and the component that we have here is the resistor, the transistor, and the voltage regulator. As I have said before, the resistor is what limits the current and the voltage, and the transistor is what transfers information from the sensor to the logic board. And the voltage regulator is what stores the charges for the motion sensor. This voltage regulator can take from 0 to 60 voltage, but it only gives out 6 or 5 voltage for the use of this motion sensor board. The fourth board that we have here is the motion sensor board, and this motion sensor board is the detecting part. The component that make up this sensor board is the processor and 2 potentiometer and the sensor. The processor is what made the sensor to detect movement, and the potentiometer, we have 2 potentiometer. One is for sensitivity and one is for time relay, and the sensor is what detects movement. This sensor detecting part detect movement and send it to the logic board, and the logic board now convert the information. Then you see the lights coming on and the alarm ringing. Then this information, the aim of making this device was that the school authority were complaining that students are fond of doing things out of the school rules and regulations. So we come up with this device for the security purpose. Apart from that, you can use this device in our local home, especially homes that are with cars, security men, gate man, we can use this device on our fence. So any movement done on the fence, you can be aware of it. So for more explanation and for more understanding, my colleague is going to take the device and see how it works. As you can see, if you want the alarm to be on, you can connect the wire. As you can see, any movement across it will detect. This device can stay for 24 hours without any movement, no signal. So with my explanation, I think this device will help us. Thank you.
And this device works with two types of power supply. You can use the AC and the DC. Either you use the direct current from NEPA or use battery.
When does it go?
Something is passing, even an animal pass there, it will give that information that something is passing there, it detects a movement. If you want it to detect a movement, like 5 meters or 10 meters, even 15 meters, you can do it. Anyhow you want it depends on you, but you want to state it because of 2 hydrogen that is inside this device. And inside this motion sensor board, there is 2 hydrogen inside of it. So one of them is for sensitivity and one of them is for time delay. So if you want the time for it to be, for his signal to be fast, but I want to state, if you want it to detect the movement of 10 meters or 15, but I want to state, so with this device you can use it as a security purpose.
So my question is, how long does it take for that sound to stop? What if I'm not at home?
It depends on the individual usage. It depends on how you want it and how long you need it to sense it now. But as we decided to keep it for 30 seconds. So it depends on the individual usage.
30 seconds. That's more than 30 seconds.
Now it's because of the way from the phone.
Okay, does it have a control? Is there a control panel whereby I can easily switch off?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
It's inside.
Where is the remote? How do you plug it?
With screwdriver, with a smart tool.
Yes, I understand. Remember the first school, it's a code. You could actually control your water wherever you are remote. Yeah? But this one, where can I control it? How can I go to that point?
If you wish, you put a switch. You can off and on it.
So that's where you come. You have to put a switch and control it.
Yes.
So the next one, where will you be selling this?
What do you say?
Where will you sell it? Where's the target market? Who do you think will buy this?
Anybody can buy it. It is used in our home. Anybody can buy it. Especially those that have cars can buy it.
Is there anybody's name, not anybody? Is your name anybody?
No.
That's how business you must identify who will need this. I like the fact that when you started, you talked about the problem your school faced. Students running up and down without the school authority detecting it. So that can actually work for boarding school. It can actually work when school is in session, your teacher is teaching, and the student is roaming around. The sensor should be in the principal's office, coupled with a CCTV camera to know which student is actually running around. That's why I need that switch, so that the principal can easily check, switch it off, and I can attend to that.